This incredible 107-acre property offers stunning river frontage and a beautiful river beach, making it ideal for agricultural or cattle use. Located bordering the Tulan River and Carrera National Reserve. The property boasts a semi-rolling topography and a forested area that protects its water sources. This beautiful property has electricity, access via a paved road, and is just 200 meters from a small village. The abundance of flora and fauna on the land enhances its natural beauty and ecological value. Just 45 minutes from Jaco Beach, this property offers proximity to amenities and attractions while still providing a peaceful retreat in nature. The great price makes it a fantastic investment opportunity for anyone looking to own a piece of paradise in Costa Rica. Whether you are seeking a property for farming, ranching, or simply enjoying the wonders of nature. This property has it all. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of land that offers both beauty and functionality in one package. Contact us today to learn more about this unique opportunity to own a piece of Costa Rica's stunning landscape.